In this video we'll cover all the basics you need to know about the position of the violin. Important parts are the chin rest and the shoulder rest. I highly recommend you to buy the chin rest and the shoulder rest at a violin shop where they can make the adjustments for you personally. Chin rests come in all different shapes and sizes, so your jaw, it's not a chin rest, a jaw rest, but they call it a chin rest. But your jaw should fit in very comfortably. Shoulder rests come in all different shapes and sizes as well. I use a valve because that is really perfectly adjustable in every way you can think of. Now, how to mount that is easy. Just take your violin like that in your right hand, your hand over the strings firmly, and then the shoulder rest, hold it like that with the fat side up, and just place it like that. And then pull it down here, stretch it, and there you go. It's on the violin. Okay, ready to move on. Now, if you practice, I would recommend do that standing up. And by standing up, I mean stand up straight on both feet and totally relaxed. Now, when you place the violin under your chin, do not move the body like that, but keep a straight position, like that. Place the violin on your left shoulder and see to it that everything fits comfortably. Your chin, jaw fits, and you would be able to let go. Do not do that right from the start yet, but this should be about it. And to hold the violin, do not raise your shoulder. If you have to raise your shoulder, the shoulder rest is not adjusted properly. It should be like that, that you don't have to raise the shoulder. It should be totally comfortable. The position of the violin should be slightly to the left. This is the way that the fingers of the left hand can reach the strings the easiest way. Sometimes I see a violin slip a little bit to the front, and imagine you've got to turn your hand all the way to reach the string. So to the left, and that's it. For the left hand, keep this straight. Do not support the violin with your left hand because it's going to look like this. Keep this open and this as straight as possible. The elbow, lift elbow, has a function as well. It should hang under the violin. And if you turn the elbow like that, you'll see it does something with the position of the fingers. This way I cannot reach my strings, and this way I can. And the fingers should be round on the string. Place them round on the fingerboard. Really important. So let's just go through these tips again. Stand up straight on both feet, relaxed, do not turn your body in any way, and when you place the violin, keep standing up straight. Feel that the violin fits comfortably under your jaw and on your shoulder, like that. And you should be able to hold the violin like that without raising the shoulder. Shoulder should be relaxed, like that. Okay. The hand, place the hand and place the fingers on one string and keep this open. So do not hold the violin like that. Keep it open and relaxed. Never use any pressure, no tension at all. It should be totally relaxed. And always when you practice and you feel a little bit tension coming, you can let go of the thumb, loosen the thumb and put it back on again. Loosen the thumb and put it back. The position of the violin is a very unnatural one. We have to twist our left arm in a way that no one else has to do. So it's perfectly normal that you might experience some pains coming up in your left arm. If that's the case, stop, relax the arm and try again. Now, if the pain comes back too soon, then stop and wait an hour. I think it's better to study 3 times 10 minutes than 1/2 an hour straight in the beginning. And the pains that come up, you're not used to this position yet, so it's perfectly normal and that will go away. But it's very important to listen to the pain and stop when you feel something coming up. Other thing the pain might cause is that you have a little bit too much tension in the left hand. Just release the thumb and put it back on. If you release the thumb, you cannot have any tension on the grip. And that's the way you can train the left hand and the pains will go away. It is good use that after practice you clean the violin with a dry cloth. Clean the strings from the rosin and the surface. Do not use a detergent of any kind. If you want to really clean the violin once in a while, go to your violin shop. They have the right oils to do just that. I almost forgot to mention the nails. We need short nails. So I'm so sorry, ladies. Short nails is really important. If you put your fingers on the fingerboard, your nail should not touch it. Your nail should not touch the fingerboard. If your nail touches the fingerboard, you have to cut it a little bit more.